Hello my dear students, this is your test assignment number 4. Your chapter is Materials, Metals and Non-Metals. First question of this chapter number 4 of assignment 4 is mention any 5 physical properties of metals. Now in this question you have to write down the 5 main physical properties of metals. This question is of 3 marks. Okay, this is your first question of materials, metals and non-metals. Now second question of this chapter is again mention any 5 physical properties. Physical means like the appearance of the substance, physical properties of non-metals. So what are the 5 main physical properties of non-metals? Again this question is of 3 marks. Now next is question number 3. Complete the following chemical reactions. Now this type of question will come in your exam, that chemical reaction is given to you and you have to complete the missing part 1. Okay, A division is magnesium. The symbol of magnesium is Mg plus oxygen O2. It gives what? You have to complete the chemical reaction. Now in B part, iron. The symbol of iron is Fe. Reacts with oxygen O2 and water H2O, and it gives, there is a blank, you have to complete the chemical reaction. C part is 2 atoms of copper plus water H2O plus carbon dioxide CO2 plus oxygen O2. It gives blank plus blank. You have to complete the chemical reaction. In D part, two atoms of sodium. The symbol of sodium is Na plus 2 molecules of water, that is H2O. It gives blank plus blank. Complete this reaction. Next E part is zinc metal. The symbol of zinc metal is Zn plus acid. Now here this is the reaction of when metals react with acids. They will form zinc chloride ZnCl3 plus blank is there. Complete this blank. F part is zinc plus blank. It gives zinc sulfate ZnSO4 plus hydrogen gas is released. H2 is the symbol of hydrogen gas. Now this oxygen and hydrogen, they are diatomic molecules because they always exist in molecular form, O2 or H2. Next is G part, copper sulfate. What is the formula of copper sulfate? CuSO4 plus zinc. It gives blank plus blank. Now these reactions are very important for your coming classes. That is for 9th and 10th. In chemistry you will do all these reactions there. H is sulfur, S plus oxygen. It forms blank. Now I part is sulfur dioxide, SO2 plus water, H2O. It gives what? Complete this reaction. Next is question number 4. What are the various uses of metals? What are the various uses of metals? Question number 3 is of 9 marks because it consists of 9 parts, A to I. What are the various uses of metals? This is of 2 marks. Question number 5. What are alloys? Alloys, write down the definition of alloys. What are they? With examples showing their use. Okay. So your 5th question is, what are alloys? Give examples with their uses. This question is of 4 marks. What are alloys? This part is of 2 marks. And give examples with their uses. This part is also of 2 marks. Total marks are 4. Next question number 6 is, what are the uses of non-metals? You know na, non-metals? A number of non-metals you are using in your daily life. Write down their uses. This is of 2 marks. Next is question number 7. Now in this question, write down the definition. Of these terms. One is malleability. Second one is ductility. These are the properties of metals. This question is of 4 marks. Give examples also. Very important question. You must know what is malleability, what is ductility, and also give examples of both these terms. Next is question number 8. Now in this question give reasons. This question is from your textbook questions of this chapter number 4. It means it is important question. Give reasons for the following. A part is copper cannot displace zinc. Now here zinc is the metal. Now what is given in this question? Copper cannot displace zinc from its salt. So why this happen? This is very important question related to the reactivity of metals. More reactive metals displaces the less reactive ones. Now this is the hint I will give you. Next B part is sodium and potassium. Both are stored in kerosene. Now what are the reasons for these? Why sodium and potassium both are stored in kerosene? What's the reason behind? Very important A and B part of question number 8. Next is question number 9. Again this question is from your NCERT book. Some questions which are mentioned in your in text inside the chapter, they are very important. You can get these questions in your final exams or terminals. Now complete the table. First column is object. Then what is the appearance of that object? In third column write down the nature of the object, like hardness, whether the given object is very hard or less hard or soft. Now what are the objects I am going to write here? Iron, coal, sulfur, aluminium, copper, iron, coal, sulfur, aluminium, copper. These are the objects. Write down their appearance and the nature of the object in the column of hardness. Next, question number 10. Question number 8 is of 2 marks. And question number 9 is of 5 marks. The last question of your test assignment number 4 is question number 10. Explain that metals are good conductors of electricity. You know that metals are good conductors of electricity. Explain this with the help of an activity. This is activity based question, very important again. That is why I am giving you this question in the assignment. These are the 10 questions of test assignment number 4. Thank you. Have a nice day.